Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Trying to get this video going, but I got a little campfire going, but the douche smoke keeps chasing me around everywhere. Set up over here comes smoke. Set up over there, here comes smoke. Cue the Benny Hill music. So, we're going to get the Fab Creations stove fired up, painted. I've already assembled it. Truth be told, while I'm editing video, I set a tray table next to my desk. So I could, monitor the. We're gonna smoke again. So I can so I can monitor the edits. When it's done, I can move to the next clip. And I just assembled it, disassembled it, assembled it, disassembled it. Of course, I didn't record video because, I'm basically sitting there in my sweats, unshowered. I had breakfast, but I'm basically sitting there, morning face and everything else. So I'm sure you guys don't want to see that. So. Although if you want to see an assembly video, ask and I'll do one, but just go over to Fab Creations. I'm going to link the painting video in the description as well as the original video. So if you're interested in checking it out, I highly encourage you to do so. And sorry, something caught my attention. It looked like a nest or something. Let's get fired up because I haven't had lunch yet and it's already late. Alright, this will be my first fire in here. I got some birch bark. Decided to just take the easy route. Set up right here next to some elk poop because, that's just living right there. A lot of this fuel today is really wet, so it's been an interesting day trying to get fires going. And processing fuel too, it's just been a challenge. Let me get these little things going because I've got some larger cut fuel. Come on. Yeah, I made 2 fires today. I got one behind me, and I got this one here. I'm doing that first is get some coals built up. So I'm going to make lunch. And then, which I haven't eaten yet. Okay, those burn down. I might have cut these way too long. That's alright. The littler ones I can put in the top, and then the larger ones I'll feed through the bottom. Man, such a cool stove, Bruce. I gotta tell you. So let's let that do its thing for a bit, and then as soon as it gets burned down, I can start. All right, got the MSR stowaway pot sitting on top. Sliding fuel in the front. Got the longer ones. I got these shorter ones. So sweet. You're probably wondering what lunch is going to be, and I'm going to do a north side with pulled pork with barbecue sauce. And I actually brought a second pulled pork because I just love pulled pork. So, I don't know if I'm going to use both. We'll see. So, just waiting for my water. So far, I like the stove a lot. It's cool. Really cool. You know, it's funny. I'm sitting here. Oh, and the smoke from the stove is literally blowing right at me, as well as the fire. I'm getting douched twice. I should get like one of those like helmets like the Martians wear, just full bubble helmet. It would look funny as hell too. Little respirator coming off. Oh, that's a pretty boil. Just gonna go the entire package. Give it a stir. Sweet. All right, let's go ahead and I think it's about done. It has thickened up super nice. So let's throw in the pork. Now I've actually not had this pork before. You know what I forgot to bring? I forgot to bring my squeezer. That would have been actually pretty helpful right now. I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to add both, because why the heck not? Because it's pork. I love me some pork. Yeah, I should have brought the squeezer with me. Oh yeah. Oh man, that looks good. I'm gonna take that off the heat, let it set. Man, that stove cooked that up really nice. Excellent. Didn't use up a lot of fuel either, so I got more wood than I needed, which is fine. I guess it's better to have a little bit more than less. But yeah, it kicked ass. I'm happy with that. I'll tell you what. This is a killer meal, man. Really good. I did nor rice with that side. I got pork. Oh man. What is the pork? It's like $1 each. And then nor rice was $1, so $3 meal. Fantastic. Could eat this all day. The nice part is, I didn't burn the crap out of the inside. Perfect. Almost. Oh, clean pot. I ate the whole thing. Like I said, I was late getting lunch, but man, that was good. Good grief. So tasty. The pork really sets it off. Next time I gotta bring my squeezer though. I could have gotten every inch of that, or every ounce of flavor out of that packet. That's alright though. Next time. Let's sit here and relax and digest. Alrighty. I'm just wrapping up camp, letting the fires die out, starting to pack up. Wanted to throw some final thoughts on the stove. As I commented, really happy with it. Man, Bruce, awesome stove, brother. Awesome, just really cool. You know, it could be a little tricky putting it together, but that's why I did it off camera, because the camera adds 10 thumbs. So, got ash coming out everywhere. There she is. Bottom plate, you know, literally just comes apart. Now I'm fearing it's gonna make a big mess inside my bag, or inside the stuff sack it came with. So I'm gonna make sure to put the outside, you know, basically it's be, you know, the smoky outside on the inside. And then what I did, well, a little too fat to reach it, but got this bag here, and I just put the screw down inside here. I just, you know, screwed them together. I guess I could take my gloves off. So, just, you know, undo the screw. And the whole thing just goes right together like that. Pan, put that down. This little piece down. And then the, I can't reach anything. A little ash pan at the bottom. One nice selling point. It all clicks together. And that's it. Compact. Like 2 pounds. I didn't mind carrying it. I mean, the road is just right over there, so it's not like I, you know, walked 10 miles. And we'll just put it away and continue packing up. So, as always, all the links will be in the description below for Fab Creations YouTube page. You know, go over and say hi to Bruce. Check him out. He's got some cool vids. Does Fatwood Fridays. Awesome guy. Really cool. Really happy with the stove. Glad I bought it. And yeah, you'll probably be seeing it a little bit more in the future coming up. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.